Panjiri for sharp memory. Let's make one cup almonds, 1/2 cup walnuts, 1/2 cup melon seeds. Mix 1/2 cup fennel seeds. Dry roast. Turn off flame and let the mixture cool. Put the mixture into blender. Blend it. Add 3 cardamom, one/2 cup sugar candy. Make fine powder. Add into other mixture. Mix well. Add 1 cup coconut powder. Store into an airtight jar. Now let's drink this in hot milk. Add 1 TBSP. Drink it before sleeping. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.